your boy Connor,
and it's your boy 7 Johnson.
back with another banger. Today we're opening surprise packages. Can you guess what's going to be in them? I don't know. Comment down below. And if y'all get all the answers right, we might send y'all one of those packages. Let's get right into it. This is our first one. I'm excited.
Guess what's in it? Tell us in the comments.
Oh, mine is pink.
It's a nice.
It's a Minecraft pig! I got a Minecraft pig! I got a Minecraft pig! Comment down below if you got this right. And don't fib. I got a Minecraft pig! What you get? But if you get a Minecraft pig too, we're Minecraft brothers, right?
Why do you have a Minecraft piglet? Why do you have a Minecraft piglet? This is so funny. Why do you got a Minecraft piglet? This is so funny.
The pig looks like what's the big
And the baby ones have a big head and a little bitty body. What will you do if I also get a Minecraft piglet?
yours feel like
It is a Minecraft pig. It is definitely a Minecraft pig. Oh, mine is red and black.
It's red and black? What?
It's definitely a Minecraft pig. I mean, no, it's not a Minecraft pig. What is it?
It's a Minecraft! It's a mushroom cow! It's a mushroom cow! Oh my god!
Let's see what's in the package. And I'm putting my buddy right here.
Me too. You stay right there. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna name mine Shadow Jr.
And I'm gonna name mine Sonic Jr.
Do y'all see this?
And do y'all see this? It looks like a boy.
What do you think? This one.
I'm not showing y'all. Let's see. Sunshine. A dog. That looks ugly.
I got a squid. I got a squid.
I got his backpack. No, this is my puppy. Oh, my puppy. I like
Guys, look! This is where all the squiddy come from. Squiddy.
I got 11.
Squiddy. I'm naming my squid Shadow Jr. Sonic Jr. This is better, bro. This is better. What you get?
Let's see.
I got two.
Oh, I got an Enderman.
Oh, boy, I got an Enderman. I'm looking into his eyes.
I like my puppy.
Look into the spider eyes.
Let's see what this is. What's in there?
Give me.
It's something that blows up when you get close to it. Something that blows up. Wait, it looks ugly shit. Let's go. You got the scary guy in the village. I know what I got.
Take the freaking.
Okay. Look what I got! This is a creeper.
So this is a iron golem. If you hit a villager or break someone's house, the iron golem gonna come for you.
No, that's a skeleton.
Oh, and this is a skeleton, right? And it will shoot a ball and arrow out your head in Minecraft.
I got 2 more.
And then this is a poisonous squid. It's shoots ink out of here.
This is an enemy that can teleport.
And this is a pig. A pig. They don't do nothing but just run around. So that's why I turned this Minecraft. It comes around at night.
Whoa, that looks nothing like a spider. What's that?
This looks nuts. Comment down below.
Okay, 7.
Okay, so this is a Mexican cow.
Wow.
And this is my pet dog. Yeah, I know. And
They've been wanting it all in Minecraft for so long. That's why we trying to get you.
and this is my pet animal. It's a teleport. And this is a creeper. Thank you, Mojang, for cool Minecraft toys.
We're going to have a lot of fun
Fun with them. And this creeper can blow up.